To fix a Maytag tall tub washer that's not filling with water, start by checking the water supply system. Verify that your household faucets have a continuous flow of water. If not, consider consulting a professional to repair the supply. Ensure the hot and cold water supply hoses are properly connected to the source faucets and that the faucets are turned on. Inspect the supply hoses for kinks and undo them if present. Next, examine the drain hose installation. It should be in its U-shaped form and securely attached to the standpipe, with the hose extending into the standpipe by 4.5 inches. Be sure the drain pipe doesn't exceed 39 inches in height, and avoid taping over the drain opening, as this can create an airtight connection that may result in siphoning. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your washer not filling with water.